Manipur the different goals and different aspiration. Akoi the masigi tongan tongan leibige maram oiraga masigi root cause achau su ama lei, and then land and identity politics. Masigi si achau ba ama akoi the ownership tanaba kangbu identity phangnabagi thiraga phangnabagi damakta talaga leiba kangbu gi masi achauba root cause amadi oye haibigi ahanba maktada haininge. And then cross border dynamics panelists myam nasunga sai haire akoi gi yum thangnabagi akoi gi neighboring countries thoibagi masi gi problem sina oiraga aduga masi gi complexity sina akoi da conflict henna adum it prolonged the crisis haibigi points I thamjaninge. Last security concern I'm actually the hiding but security concern hybrid it's about the insurgency group makhoi safety ge neighboring countries the labor masigi port to na security concern ge the makta masigi root cause su achauba ama oye haibase root cause ki matang da sumaina haijege asai ozana haibibage neutrality ki matang da ai khara panjaram ge Naga Singh 3rd May 2023 degi haubidigi ngasi phause any Naga gi press statement thokba matam da it always mention neutrality from any tribe for any UNC the wairo amada wairo loina mak press release thokba makhai se neutrality to mention to se myam tabiram gani. So I gi wakhalon da aina khanjabsi I think neutrality is a position, or neutrality haibasi it is a stand, it is a political position amani haibasi I sum I haijage neutrality haibasi akhoi Naga marak to sumyam haine kamana haina bro Naga se kri tawra lai bro Naga se kri su tawde UNC kri su tawde Naga ge CSO akhoi ge tribe ke CSO kri su tawde haina masi gi irang to contribute tawde haina sumyam panbal lai adubu neutrality asidi hoi avoided asige conflict avoid tawbigi haibigi neutrality the meaning the way. But it is a political position. It clearly says it is a position. Naga gi political position amani haibasi ai panjaninge. Asigi Naga gi tongan ba bigger cause or bigger aspiration ama leibigi maram oiraga. Neutrality gi word sidi yamna neutral oiba ubwane, but it is a political position. A chauba position ama Naga Singh yam firm oina ngasi phosu stand tawri because frequent incident thoiba Kuki site wairo koi valley gi maitai gi site wairo incident yam thokre starting from the May 24 da Naga Singh phubire adu mathang even recently SD Sagi leader sing da 9 PM ahing laga that is also in front of the security forces, central security forces leina gamgi phai da phuri bne Naga Singh busu masida irang thohan bagi da machak tawri base government of India and so many agencies miyam lay Naga Singh ne neutral maintain tawe hari bagi mat abadu gi tangkak ta madu gi on process ta Naga Singh busu masigi conflict ta yohan base India government gi policy da so achaubo yauri hai base ai haininge haibada haimaloi hen su khalle kai gi no haiba incident miyam thokhiba miyam se akoi chekon su thokba irang amalei haibidi Naga gi yum akoi jerong yum amma mai thage hene rapid action force na tawrame SD Sagi thopusu security central security force ki mamang deni any incident thokba makhai se in front of the security forces masi tawriba makhai se insillaga sum leiba Naga Singh bosu masi gi conflict pushillaga yargadi akoi gi arsenal akoi gi underground oigro overground oiro akoi gi CSO makhai do conflict changhallaga mayam se in the government seasonagi moibu paige moibu paisilaga masidasu sanagi habigi port se adum chauna hoigi in the government gi policy amal leye adugi makhata of the last point and it toning base Nagana neutral maintain tawri base I think it's a very clear and very good position hai base Naga gi stand to I on behalf of personal opinion that mahizage thank you.
Okay, Prinmai, I will come one more questions, a very short questions. Naga have their own demand At the same time, Kuki have their own demand. Kuki have the demand of Kuki land, and Naga have the demand of their Nagalim. The Naga people who have inhabited in the northeast, they want to put it up together and they want to form a separate state. But the question is now, Manipur Tukaidaba Maramamu Idabra, Nagana Masagi Nagalim state and Matamda, Aduga Kukina Kuki land Talakamatam, the Pikra Manipurgi, 22,327 square kilometers, the Masamasagi Lam Tanarakwamatamda, Achova, Manipur Kaina Maramam Uidabra, Karimot PBI.
Akhoi asaisu aina haibikre colonial rule ki parity ge sumaina lagpase akhoi naga sing na su hoi on process chathari bada naga gi aspiration tongan balaye kuki gi su leire we common aspiration common goal akhoi valley gi maitei gi haragati statute to common aspiration so ama oiriye 1949 gi merger agreement gi su port ama de leye adubu akhoi naga sing gi aspiration leye heraga Manipur ki thugai bigi hai bigi port to di ahoida adu di yam aingon su answer di leite but masi ki port se on process ma gi it's about the survival ahoi ki Manipur de se ko I think it is that yam divisive policy colonial parity ki leiramba India ki policy tu su system duna masi tak chabani hai bese ai di answer de bininge